A flight to Hyderabad that was supposed to make a U-turn and return and land at the Frankfurt airport. Now, the flight LH752 departed from Germany. It was scheduled to land in Hyderabad's Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, but it took a U-turn. Official from Hyderabad Airport confirming that the flight returned to the origin, to Germany, stating that a bomb threat was received while the aircraft was still outside the Indian airspace. My colleague Nilesh is joining us with the update. Nilesh, initial reports had suggested that it was not allowed to land in Hyderabad. Now we understand that there was a bomb threat that was received, after which it was sent back to Germany. What are the details?
Well, yes, this is a major update coming in from another Dreamliner flight, which was scheduled to land here in Hyderabad, that is India. It took off from Germany with hundreds of passengers into it. However, it made a U-turn after the permission was denied from Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, ATC. At first, the officials from the Lufthansa company has suggested that they did not had a permit to land onto the Indian soil. However, now it is coming to the fore that it was a bomb threat that the flight had received, and due to which the ATC had diverted the flight back to its home ground, that is in Germany. Now, what we're learning that all of the passengers are very much safe. They have been provided accommodation by the company and are currently at their respective locations, which has been accommodated. But it is quite concerning incidents that we have been reporting past since a few days post the crash that took place here in Ahmedabad. We saw that how multiple cases and bomb threats are being received just a few days back. Another flight from Air India was also one that received a bomb threat. So all of those parameters are currently being investigated as to who made this call, who this individual was, who informed the officials of this Lufthansa aircraft carrying a bomb into the flight. So all of those parts remain still to part of investigation as of now.
Okay, all right. Very concerning. There was a bomb threat that led to the flight going all the way back to Frankfurt just when it was about to land in Hyderabad. It started from Germany, then went back to the origin because of this bomb threat. Nilesh, stay with us as we shift our attention now